Little Bird's Bad Word by Jacob Grant. Little Bird's Bad Word. Little Bird and his papa were soaring high over the treetops. "Lunch is extra wriggly today," said Papa. "Blark! Black, black, black!" "No, no, no," said Papa. "That's not a word for little birds." Little Bird was always happy to learn a new word. "A word for big birds. I can't wait to start using it." Little Bird knew his friends would love the new word. "Black!" Frog was startled. "Black!" Moose was speechless. "Black! Black!" Fish and Ladybug were not amused. "Black!" And Little Bird's friend Turtle. "Black!" Little Bird didn't know what to do. "This is bad. Could this new word be bad? I've been using a bad word?" He hadn't flown far when he heard Papa's voice. "Little Bird means well. He's learning that words can be hurtful," said Papa. "I'm sorry, everyone. Very sorry." That was all Little Bird needed to hear. He knew just the word to make things right. "Sorry." "Sorry." Turtle liked this word much better. "Black!" The end.